Hello. Today we're going to go over alerts. Alerts are super cool. They have saved me before. And what alerts do is they allow you to get a notification if a number is greater than, less than, equal to than a previous number or a certain goal. And they're very similar to Outlook rules if you know what those are. Now, how I've used alerts is I've used it to show me when something is broken. That way I get it right away. Or show me if something looks wrong before one of my clients sees it. So let's go do alerts. Now, if you look here, we have alerts right here as a bell icon right at the top in black, and that's where you can see all the alerts you have. But to create an alert, we need to first get to a certain data set. So I have this data set right here, and I'm going to say open. Let's go to Analyzer, and we're going to need a card. Great. We have a card right here. We have this thing called the summary number. We're going to need the summary number to make an alert. I'm fine with this number of impressions. That's fine with me. Okay. I'm just going to save this. Nothing has happened. Okay. Now with a card, we have the summary number. Do you see this little bell right here? We're going to use that bell to make an alert. So I'm going to go click it, say alert. And here's where I can create a new alert right here in the top. So I mentioned this is very similar to Outlook rules. It's going to be based on the summary number. And now here's where I can do things. I could say, hey, when this changes by a certain amount or increases or whatever is greater than or equal to, give me an alert. So let's go say when this summary number 512 is, let's say greater than or equal to, I don't know, I'll put 500 million. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. When it's greater than 500 million, go send me an alert. Now here, this is very important. If you click every time your data updates, you're going to get it all the time. That's one that you can do. We can stop sending notifications every time it updates. You could say, I want this only daily, weekly, monthly, whatever you pick. I'm going to say daily for now, and I can pick what time I want it to be. I will say 6 a.m. for right now, just as our little test. Great. Okay. Next. Now here, this is like Mad Libs, if you know what Mad Libs is, and this is where you can write a sentence. And in blue right here, it's going to tell you, hey, the rule, sum of impressions is greater than this. It's going to fill this out for you if you really want that. You don't have to have that. What I normally do, truthfully, I just do this. I do something broke. Fix it. And then I'm going to say next. Now, with this attach action, you can have it shoot an alert, trigger a workflow, a webhook, a task, or even a schedule report. That's very new. Super, super cool. In addition, this bottom part right here, this is where I can choose how do I want to be alerted. I could say, you know what? I do not want a text message. I do not want a phone call. I only want an email. The phone stuff can only happen if their phone number is placed in their profile under the admin page. So if you don't have it, you're not going to get a text. Cool. Hey, what if I don't want this alert anymore? What if I'm done with it? Well, I'm just going to go back to the little alerts icon at the top. There it is. I can open it up and I can choose to trash it. And there we go. That's how to do alerts. They're super amazing. A great way to stay on top of things so you proactively know what's coming at you. Hey, if that was helpful, I got a surprise for you. If you go to dashboarddudes.com, you can get access to my courses to be the me of your organization. With Dashboard Dudes, you get a couple things. The first is you get access to all the courses, every single one of them. And how these videos are designed, they're designed to be, you watch me, you do it. And they're made in short 5-10-minute videos. That way you could do it during break, before work, after work, on the weekends, whatever you want to do. You're going to watch me do something, then you're going to do exactly what I do to master Domo. That's the Dashboard Dudes method. Furthermore, what you get is you can sign up for a trial. And during this trial, you can book time with me, 30 minutes for free every single month, so I can help you out with whatever problems you have. In addition, I will send you a newsletter that's the latest and greatest that I have learned in Domo, little tips and tricks, only once a month so you're not bombarded. And you get this library of video answers that I've given for FAQs, frequently asked questions. So give it a shot, check out a trial, and have fun with it. All right, I'll talk to you later.